took a lot of LED light to put inside the shutter blade. I put a pieces of wood inside the shutter blades. I put a duct inside the shutter blades. Now I am releasing the bowling pin on by on top of the shutter blade. I put 2 mangoes on top of the shutter blade. I put a golf balls inside the shutter blades. The golf ball fell to pieces. Friends, this time we left 2 diamonds on top of the shutter blades. I left a lot of small white balls on top of the shutter blades. Now we put 2 cucumbers inside the shutter blades. This time I give it with a big plastic ball. Now I giving a TV remote shutter blade. I put a lot of injection series on top of the shutter blade. I give him a big toy car. We put a very beautiful doll on top of the shutter blades. This time we put 2 shops inside the shutter blades. The condition of this doll inside the shutter blades become very bad. This is a hollow pieces of iron. No one will be afraid it is plastic eye. I put a lot of toothpaste together on top of the shutter blades. The beautiful doll burst as soon as it was put inside the shutter blades. Now I put a plastic toy bus inside the shutter blades.